Alright, so I slept on the street over here last night in a pretty wealthy neighborhood. Then I woke up in the morning and I had to go to the bathroom real bad. So, and I looked up on Google Maps. I was actually right next to a park. That's where I like to sleep at night, is next to parks. And this park doesn't open until 8, so I was like, you know what, I'm just going to see if it's open anyway. So I drove in. I don't know why. I thought maybe it'd have a gate on the entrance or something. No gate, so I just drove in. And look at this place, dude. I could have just slept here last night. It's freaking amazing. Let me show you. No one here. Fucking perfectly shaded spot. Boom, right there next to the bushes. Look how fucking amazing that spot is, dude. Could have slept right there. It's like I was right there on the street over there. It was a little bit tilted, kind of sucked, but oh well, it worked. And then this guy, he didn't give a fuck. He just slept here last night. Look at him. He said, "Fuck you guys." Smart, smart, smart. Shit. Someone right there. Whoops. That's the person that owns the van. They just saw me fucking record. Dang it. I hate when I do that. Oh well. Rich side of the town. Look how nice their bathrooms is. This is a public park. It is clean. Look at this. It's unbelievable. You know, it makes you think why people hate homeless people. They just trash their shit. Throw shit all over the place. See? Rich people respect it. This place is nice and clean how it should be. Driving to the hiking trail and I saw this flowers blooming everywhere. I had to stop. This is amazing. Look at that shit. It's fucking awesome. Whole way over there. Look at that. It's incredible. All right, I'm at the start of the trail. It goes around this lagoon. Ocean too. It's supposed to be really beautiful with flowers, which I believe. There's been flowers blooming all over this neighborhood. So yeah, let's go do it. Supposed to be another spot on this trail where you come across all these really weird sand rock formations. It goes in, it makes like caverns and taverns you can go into. I'm not sure if this is the right one I'm at, but after I'm done with this trail, or if it leads to that one, we're gonna go check that out because it looks really cool. You can actually see a little bit of the sand formations right there. I don't think these are the ones they're talking about. I think they're way bigger. But yeah, those types of things are supposed to be all over this place. Some beautiful flowers. It's a different type of cactus right here. It's called the Cholla. It's a really weird name. I can't say it right. Say it correctly, but those ones are all over Joshua Tree. In this certain part of the California desert, those things are just everywhere. And they grow big. They grow like this tall, about 8 feet. It's pretty amazing. Tell this is about to bloom. It's just not quite ready yet. I don't know what kind of flower it is. Wish I knew plants and species of flowers more. I just don't. I'm not that good at it. Alright, let's go this way. I think there's just trails all over this place. This is pretty big, like 7 miles worth of trails it said on the website. So it stretches all the way over there, all the way over there, all the way over there towards the ocean too. So I could probably be out here all day just hiking. But after this, probably a couple hours, I'm gonna go to the beach and do some more exploring on the beach. All right, got done with that trail. It was really fun. We're gonna go to another part of the trail where there's actual canyons and these weird rock formations that everyone talks about. Because it wasn't there, which I thought maybe it would be, but it's not. So we're going to another area. Supposed to be way cooler. So let's go check that out. It's kind of a hard spot to get to. Kind of way out here, middle of nowhere. There's some neighborhood right here. There's the beginning of the trail. This is where the canyon's supposed to be over here. There's quite a bit of people out here today. Some right there, some over there. It's a pretty popular cave system. People draw their names in there and stuff. That's cool. Little designs. Man, this is amazing. It's like a legit canyon. It's so cool. Very majestic. It's like a secret little tunnel system. Wow. This is neat.
Do you go first? Because I think
This is so cool. Wow. I never knew this was here. It's like something you see out of Arizona. What if this is natural or they carved this out? I don't know. Ooh, it's tiring. Oh shit, yeah, look at this. I'm gonna have to put the phone down for this. Oh shit. Damn, I gotta put the phone down. Okay. Actually, you know what I can do? I'll do the... I hope that worked. Fuck. I just recognized I didn't turn the camera around. Fuck. Oh well. Damn, that was amazing. Wow. If you're in San Diego, it's well worth that. That's amazing. I'm going down the trail line. That was amazing. Highly recommend that if you're in the San Diego area. That was the coolest thing I've probably seen here. That was amazing. Besides the tide pools, it's just beautiful. It's a lot bigger than you think it is. It's like a mini Grand Canyon. Just beautiful the way it's designed. Not designed, just naturally carved like that. It's just something that looks like out of a movie or something you see in like an old archaeological site that was made by Egyptians or something. It's just amazing. So yeah, that was fun. So we're gonna go back to the trail and go to the beach now. Supposed to be one of the best Mexican foods you can get. All right, so I went to this Mexican place that was near me. It's called Rudy's Taco Shop. It's supposed to be one of the best Mexican foods around here. So let's check it out. I got some fish tacos, 1 grilled, 2 crispy. Looks pretty good. You know what sucks though? They didn't give me any freaking salsa, which I love putting salsa on everything. I didn't see a salsa bar, so I'm gonna deduct points for that. It's good. Fish isn't that great, to be honest. They were known for their fish tacos. I've had way better fish tacos from other places around here. The fish is moist. It's like it's really soggy. It's not even. It's supposed to be battered and fried, but it's just soggy. The fish doesn't taste that good. The pico de gallo is good on it. It's fresh. It's got coleslaw, it's all right. They should have put more sweet milk on it or something like that. Doesn't taste like very much. Average. Yep. It does have good green sauce on it though. The Verde sauce, that's pretty good actually. A little lime. Then I get 2 grilled. Honestly, I cannot even tell the difference between the grilled and the fried. That's how much the fried one sucked. This is like no difference. Tastes exactly the same. That's kind of weird. I don't know. I like my fried to be crispy. Not that good of a job on frying it. You know, honestly, this fish just isn't that great. There's not a lot of taste to it. I don't know. I usually like to have that fishy taste, but this doesn't taste like fish at all. It's weird. And these tortillas, not that great. They're almost like the ones you buy from the store that you buy yourself. Very average. Very freaking average. And they don't put, that's the thing that pisses me off the most, that they didn't give you like a cup of salsa. Come on, give you something. This is Mexican food. You're known for having salsas with your food. You don't give me any? That's ridiculous, bro. That's a big no-no. If I own a Mexican restaurant, everybody gets salsa. I don't give a what the hell they order. They order one taco, or they order one side of beans. They're getting salsa. Because some people like to put salsa on their beans and rice, like me. I literally can't eat Mexican food unless it has salsa. That's how much I like it. This is probably one of the worst fish tacos I've had around here. It's supposed to be the best. Not great at all. Every time I come around this area, it's like a rich area. This is the second time I've been around here and ordered Mexican food. Both times sucked. It's weird. And they're both ranked very high in reviews. It's weird. I'm not coming back here again. And if anyone's like, you're negative in reviews, I don't care, man. I'm being honest. If something doesn't taste good, I'm going to tell you. It's just my opinion. It's my review. So I know there's a lot of people on the internet who only like positive people. You know, I'm a realist. I'm not always going to be happy and positive. You know, sometimes reviews of food is going to be negative. Sometimes they don't cook it right. So, you know, don't watch me if only you want is positivity. It's ridiculous. That coleslaw is not great at all. Sorry. Didn't get me a spoon. This was messy, so I'm eating it like this. Alright, well, I'm going to rank that about 6.4. Not the great at all. You know, to be fair, I'll try their other food before I totally say this place sucks. But that, to me, was not that good of a fish taco. I'll try their other food though, but I don't know. That was not very good for fish tacos. There's some bomb fish tacos around here, bro. Like, I should go review them. They were amazing. I'll show you what good fish tacos is like. But I don't want to be mean to this store. I mean, some people like food that way. Some people have a particular... See, food is weird. Everyone has their own distinct taste and the way they want their food to be. So I can't just say, hey, talk shit about this restaurant and like, don't ever eat here. No, eat here. You might like the taste of it. I personally don't like the taste of it. I don't like the way they didn't hand out salsa. That's just my preference. Some people don't even like salsa. So it's whatever. I'm not going to sit there and don't go here. No, go here. This place is probably good for you. You probably like it. Just, I didn't like the fish tacos. But I will come back here and try something else, like a carne asada burrito or something. And try that. But I'm going to rank that as 6.7. 6.7. Oh yeah, now we're going to go to the beach. So we'll probably be there in about 15 minutes. There. This is a cool looking house. Look at all the decorations on it and stuff. That's cool. So this is a little neighborhood I'm going towards the beach. Guess you like surfing. Found this place on the maps. It says Stone Steps. It's supposed to be a really cool stair set. So check it out. Yeah, it's beautiful out there right now. Oh, look at it blocked off. That sucks. Damn it. It's freaking gorgeous. Wow. It's good watercolor today. Let's go find another spot to go. Part of the beach. This is actually really beautiful too. Some tide pools out there. Check it out. Really cool looking cliffs, and it's leaking water too. Beautiful. I love when the algae grows on the rocks like that. This is a really cool looking part of the beach, to be honest. Wow. This is really cool looking. There's like so much different types of shapes and geometry. It's weird looking. It's like on a different planet. It's like you're on Mars or something. It's really cool. I'm gonna check these tide pools and see if there's any animals. They usually like to hide in between these crevices and stuff. At least the ones in La Jolla do. You can find amenities. I forgot what that's. I can't even say the word. Sometimes you can find octopuses, little bitty fishes. I don't know, all sorts of little things in here. I don't see anything here though. You gotta go a little deeper out. It's so cool how this forms from, it was sand at one point and then it turns into these hard compact structures. Pretty weird to think about. Let's go over here a little bit. Sure is beautiful. Oh, there's a little bitty pool. It's usually a great place to find octopuses. They love to get in these shallow little areas of water so they can hunt fish. I've seen plenty of them around here. They're smart too. I want to get to the other side. So I'm going to turn this phone off and try to get to the other side. Wow, that's cool. I bet that's someone's property up there. That is awesome looking. Oh, some stone cases. That reminds me of like, I don't know, like old school countries where they had built everything from stone and rock. That's built right into the side of the cliff there. That is just so beautiful. It looks so old, you know? But really it's not. It's probably pretty new. That's interesting. That's so cool. Might have to go up there real quick. I bet that's really slick. I'm not sure if that's someone's property up there, but I better not go. I wanted to go, but nah. They might call. I don't know. Let's keep going. Wow, that's cool. Right here. I was hoping to go to an actual beach. These rocks suck. Actually, it's a pretty good spot right here. I can go on the tide pools and go. Woo! Man, it'd be nice to have a house right here, wouldn't it? At the same time, I don't really. It doesn't really. I don't know. It's cool, but it's not worth the price tag of millions of dollars, you know, when you can just go to the beach for free at the public access points. It's like, I don't know. If you're a billionaire, yeah. I don't know, I'm just not one of those types of people who want materialistic. I don't care about big houses or stuff. I've never cared about that type of stuff. It's just me, but some people love it. So I keep forgetting I need to buy a tripod. Now, I keep having to set my phone up on rocks and stuff I can find, and I can never get the right pictures for wanting thumbnails. Well, I finally found a pretty good set of stairs right there that's high enough, and it was actually looking towards the cool scenery, so I think I got a pretty cool thumbtack this time. But yeah, I gotta go buy a tripod. That's freaking annoying. That is like a huge natural rock wall. It actually looks like it's man-made, but it's not. I don't think it is. That's interesting. That'd be so cool if they graffitied this entire wall. I know it's kind of stupid to do right there by the ocean, but kind of cool looking. This is really cool looking. You know, it'd be even cooler if they color the columns a bunch of bright green, blue, orange, a lot of bright colors. That'd be amazing. Maybe some cartoon characters. That'd be cool. Maybe some statues built from the sand up. Now I'm getting crazy now. That'd be cool though, wouldn't it? It'd be beautiful. Oh, they need to get some artists out here to do that. It is amazing though. And it just gets deep all of a sudden right here. Little swimming hole. Oh, look at that watercolor. It's beautiful. Woo-wee. Woo-wee. Nice staircase. I wonder if they got that blocked off. I think you can go up there actually. Interesting. This is gonna be a good sunset place. Unfreaking believable. It's amazing. Wow. So cool. Wow. Shit. Woo. Shit was coming in fast. Damn. To climb on this and go over here instead of going around. It's a little too deep right now, so I saw someone doing this, so I'm like, hey, that's pretty cool. Let me do it too. And it goes to a different part of the beach. Oh, what the heck? Okay, I guess it stops right there. Huh. Well, guess I have to get wet anyways. This might be one of my favorite beaches that I've been to in this area so far. It's just, I don't know, it's incredible. Like such high cliffs around here. It's beautiful. Yeah, this is gonna be a cool place to see a sunset. This is gonna be freaking amazing. Oh shit! Motherfucker, that shit's coming in high. It's got soaked. Damn it. Alright, I think I might turn around. Man, you could get trapped out here pretty easy if the tide just comes in real fast, because you can get stuck right there because it gets really, really deep before you get to the stair set, man. If it comes in at sunset, damn, I better get back before the tide rises, but there's a lot of people out here, so I'm gonna stay here for a little bit longer. They're having fun out there. It's hilarious. Dang it, I missed the part. It was actually pretty funny. This is too funny, bro. They're probably pissed on filming. I don't care. This is funny. I told you the tide was gonna come in. People are gonna get stuck out there. There she goes. There she goes. Nope. Better go. She better go. There she goes. She got it. Yeah. I think I'm done with that video. It's not one of those sunset where the clouds cover and it makes it all cool looking, so I think I'm gonna leave. That was really beautiful. Like and subscribe, guys, please. You know, I'm trying to get this channel up, and I don't know, just please like and subscribe. All right, thank you so much for watching. All right, bye.